Here we're going to present you a storyboard of the formation of the Sierra Madre Oriental.
First, it's composed largely of folded sedimentary rocks of the Cretaceous period.
Second, we're going to present the relief to uplift, faulting, and erosion since about 23 million years ago.
Third, it's between the Pacific and the North American plate of the world.
And it was made by convergent plates.
Fifth, it begins to rise up.
And sixth, the mountain ranges start to form.
Its average elevation is 1,500 meters.
Now the Sierra Madre Oriental is 3,700 meters tall. It was created by a convergent boundary when two pieces of land merged together to rise off the ground and form mountain ranges. The Sierra Madre consists of three ranges: Sierra Madre Oriental, Sierra Madre Occidental, and Sierra Madre del Sur.
The mountains contain pine trees, but mainly other shrubs, herbs, and hardy flowers. Animals living in the mountains include the Spanish ibex, raptors, and lizards. Okay, so this is the Sierra Madre Oriental. As you can see, this is the map of Mexico. And we have here shown the three Sierra Madres, but the one that stands out the most is the Sierra Madre Oriental. And as you can see, it goes all alongside the east of Mexico. Here is where the highest point of the Sierra Madre Oriental is, which is the Cerro Potosí. And where we live in Monterrey is actually right here. So as you can see, we're in the middle of the Sierra Madre Oriental mountain range.
This is a closer look at the Sierra Madre Oriental, and we can see more into detail as what the flora has to offer, as well as the highest peak that Lupita mentioned earlier, which is the Cerro Potosí.
First survey we sent out and answered without any previous knowledge about the Sierra Madre Oriental. The results came back with about less than half of the respondents knowing the correct information about the Sierra Madre Oriental. For example, in the graph that talks about how was the Sierra Madre Oriental formed, out of the 22 respondents, only 3 respondents actually answered the correct information of the Sierra Madre Oriental, which is orogenesis. The one who was most answered in the survey is continental subduction with 11 responses.
Once we included the poster into the survey, now the majority of the respondents answered the correct information, with between 1 to 5 people answering something different. Out of the 20 respondents, 17 respondents answered the correct answer of orogenesis. 2 other people chose plates sliding past each other, and 1 respondent chose continental subduction.
The main aim of our project was to spread awareness about geographical features, for this one, the Sierra Madre Range. We wanted to show that there are a set of processes that affect the whole planet, for example, plate boundaries that are formed due to the movement of tectonic plates that are the Earth's continents, and how they lead to different forms of the land on Earth, like the Sierra Madre that was formed through orogenesis, where the Earth's crust folds into a vertical elongated area like a mountain range. This happens due to processes that happen inside the Earth because of the temperature of the core, as it is extremely hot. Plate boundaries are just an example of the many other processes that are continuously or constantly happening on inside and on the Earth, which lead to formation of different types of landforms. Through this, we understand that the Earth has changed over time and that it will continue changing in the future. To sum it up, the Sierra Madre Range is only one of the many wonders of the world that exist. We have various types of geographical features like trench, ridges, volcanoes, and many more, and the Sierra Madre is one we researched about and learned a lot from. This makes us aware of the different features that exist and their importance in our life.